Dear friends, in this video, I am going to tell you about Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. The secondary name of Anuloma Viloma Pranayama is Nadi Sodhana Pranayama or Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. So in this section, I'm going to tell you about the benefits of Nadi Shuddhi and what is the precautions which you should keep it in the mind, right dhyanatmak asanas to do it with it, and which small things which you should keep it in the mind. And at the end, I will tell you the beginner tip also. Pranam. My name is Bholi Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. This Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or Nadi Sodhana Pranayama help us in the cleansing and the channelizing all the energy channels in the 72,000 nadis. Now let's move ahead that what are the benefits of Nadi Sodhana Pranayama? So here are multiple benefits, but I'm going to let you count few of them. As if we practice Nadi Sodhana Pranayama on the regular basis, this help us to improve the focus, because day-to-day life is being so sedentary and it's being difficult for us to bring the focus at particular thing. So if we practice Nadi Sodhana Pranayama on regular basis, not only it increases your focus but also help you in the channelizing energy in the body and gives you a shant behavior, the calm behavior. Other benefit, it helps us to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. What is parasympathetic nervous system? This is the shanta response or the calm response of the body which help us in the calming down of the mind. If we practice Nadi Sodhana Pranayama, this improves our lung capacity. Also, Nadi Sodhana Pranayama is really very good to give or increase the oxygen level in the body. Nadi Sodhana or Anuloma Viloma Pranayama is really very good in high BP, even low BP. This helps us in the normal regulations of the breathing. If you are having a fluctuations, if you feel tired, lethargic, or you feel drained energy, then Nadi Sodhana Pranayama will work as a miracle for you. Now let's begin that what is the right technique to do this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama or Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. So if you are a beginner, you have to start this posture with Dhyanatmak Sukhasana, with the name very light, that Sukhasana, the asana which gave us a sukh, which is easy to do actually. So how to do it? This is, you have to simply cross your legs with each other in like this. Make sure to do this asana over mat or over earth for the good grounding. Right now, I'm just simply telling you, beginning of the pranayama, you should know about that what is Purak, Kumbhak and Rechak. So Purak is basically an inhalation. Kumbhak is basically a holding your breath or retaining your breath. And Rechak is the exhalation of the breath. So this you should know. Now let me tell you the technique that how you could do it. And if you are having a back related issues, if it's being difficult for you to sit over the mat or down, then you could use the couch, you can use chair. Also, you can practice this pranayama over bed also. But if you're having a health element, if you're having issues, then only. Otherwise, I would recommend you to do it over mat or over len, over dhartima. Okay, so which mudra is excellent for this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama? So Pranav mudra or Vishnu mudra? These are the multiple names of this mudra. So you have to fold your index finger and middle finger and fix it at the root of your, at the base of your right hand thumb. So this is the Vishnu or Pranav mudra. Then make sure that your elbow should be completely supporting by the side. And then you have to block your right nostril. Nadi Sodhana Pranayama is always start with the left nostril and it's also over with the left nostril. So let me show you how to do it one round, then it's being difficult for you to understand. So block your right nostril, inhale with the left, block your left nostril, exhale right, inhale right, hold your breath, exhale left. So this is the one round. How many rounds you can do? So you can do 20 rounds at a time. If you are a beginner, you can start with 15 to 20 rounds and those rounds are completely okay with you. But make sure that your breathing should be soundless while you're doing Anuloma Viloma. Okay, so if you are having issues, then you could do it in this position. If you are a beginner and you are completely okay, then you could do it with the Sukhasana, which I told you in the beginning. So this is the way to do this Anulom Vilom. Now question comes, can 80 plus or who's under 15 can do this Anulom Vilom Pranayama? And many people ask this question to me, then the answer is yes. Everybody could do this Anulom Vilom Pranayama, and this pranayama is really very helpful at any age because this improves your focus, and this is really very good for the kids, adult, even old age. So anybody could do this pranayama, and this is very easy to perform even. So I would recommend you to do this. Now, what is the right timing to do this? So early morning Brahma Muhurat is the excellent time. Brahma Muhurat means 4 o'clock in the morning. But if it's being difficult for you to practice early morning, then you can practice this pranayama before sunrise around 6 o'clock or 6:30. Even it's being difficult for you, then we having no other options. You can practice this pranayama when your stomach is empty, morning or even in the evening. So you're free to do. But I told you the best two normal options you can choose according to you. You're free to choose your favorable option. Now, if you're a beginner, then how you could do this pranayama? And especially who's having a asthma, who's having a high BP, this pranayama works as a miracle. So if you're a beginner, how you can do it? So you can do it without holding your breath, without retaining your breath inside, or without doing kumbhak. So block your right nostril, close your eyes, and make sure if you're fine to do it with the Sukhasana. Inhale with left, hold, exhale right, inhale right, hold, exhale left. So right now I have tell you few rounds of Anulom Viloma Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Now you know the technique. Now let's come to the precautions that if you are having a problems, then which factors you should keep it in your mind. If you are having a high fever or if your body is not allowing you to do this, then make sure to do under guidance. Or if you are in high fever, then I won't recommend you to do this. Also, if you're having any serious element health related issues, then once you can consult with the doctor, then you can do it. Most of the time, this Anulom Vilom is completely safe for you, but make sure that your stomach should not completely stuffed out. Your stomach should be completely empty while you're doing this Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. That's all about this. If you are having any query, any question regarding Anulom Vilom, then comment down. I definitely try to solve your problem out. If you didn't like this video yet, then go and like, and also don't forget to subscribe your channel. Hope you like this video. For such more informative content, make sure to keep watching and make sure to press the bell icon also. Till then, keep yourself physically and mentally healthy and have a sigh of relief.